of self-care for complex and how to the punitive and educational Stalinist role of impolitical intrigues in the marriage and how to development in it Fancycal planning for the future tips for planning and saving the of the future together. Creating guides and application listing creating guide and applicates in the marriage health conflict how to have health conflict and disagreement in the marriage conflict disagreement in the marriage into account and the educational communicate building and maintaining and replacement amount and communication love language and relationship understanding love language and how to their importance relation many get in question tips for many get in question and personal growth in marriage and partnering colleging navigating the college of marriage and preparing navigating change and growth how to the getting change and growth together as a company our company trusting issues traits for communication our issues and laws building receive building relation and communication with the help together complex growth and dreams setting and work together shared growth and dreams educational support and validation prodding indication support and valid to the partner figures and moving and for the importance of for giving and moving and for marriage health exam setting and management health due to marriage in the improve independent tips and great shot improving internet tips for improving independence and communication in marriage mental health work-life balance tips for maintaining a health work-life balance a complete natural for relative mass to the nature and criticals our relaxation avoiding store fashion and tax building a store appointing tips for helping marriage and calculation ID for placed limiting and special complex number 4 complex bucket list creating a leg list and working towards achieving a mutation communication building and minimal and optimal calculation with for partner importance for physical transmission and state and marriage health board setting and marshmallow health what proof and communication tips for important communication and active and listen to marriage in t-shirt and affected and building and marriage interest and affected to marriage love and respect the important test and love and respect in the marriage for maintaining and education and education in the marriage neglected the different storage and for given to the different and discreet and in the marriage and our like family goes to the tips and government pretending to design the quality and the time and the parts of the purchased quality time and together Some more drops active collaborative, political activity, pride and understanding the marriage, building trust is start of our building on the and many met trust at a great shot at the collab, creating a self-care result and for starting. For figure and healing, the importance of for figure and healing and in the marriage, health for big friends should start for furing on competition and the health over the empowering and the interest love language and repetition, understanding love collection and how the impact and transmission to the health and marriage tips for meaning and health and a beautiful marriage and I hope I had a beautiful little shot at the complex importance and what is the love and the bracket should or shish. What understanding and the important matching and what is the glance, what's this health communication results and for the 6 and 78 important for figure and the grid shot and the 127 and the 1 wicket and the 3 sacks and big shot. Education and the international interview and Pakistan and England the world best practice and the three top and great shot. Where are the going to the Lahore and the Pakistan, Islamabad, United. What this problem and the Pakistan, what this Imran Khan the going to the home to learn, what this communication and the very nice, great shot. Management in question and tips for maintaining and education and individualistic and marriage. Not the different and stored for the given to different and district marriage and the content competent for the depths of one and the rest doesn't challenge and the for great shot and the wanted trust to them together at the rushed trade. Expression and the partner protect active the stand and you understanding and in the marriage building trust and starting for building and maintain the trust in the marriage or the complication for self for killer and the protect self for care and rooted and in the education interested marriage and the growth and the institution. Complex self for creating and the view and the cat and the conflict stood and the for solving and the conflict in the health way. Importing and trust through and the communication and the work. What and the Pakistan this love the language and the whole to the practice and the health managing of the great shot and I hope this steps are the helpful and the great shot figure and the healing and the importance of figure friend and the healing in the marriage conflict resolution and the trust and the for resolving and the communication and the for example and the Allah Almighty interest and the throw and opening and the lost and the great words is the understanding in a whole for graving and the I hope and the trust me and the is taking and that as the way going and the loud. Active in the battering, pressed and active that are pointed and the hold in the great marriage, building trust for building on the great shot and the whole the great part. Yes, what I think in the Boston and I cannot give it.